This time in this video, I'm going to show you how to do a shuttle lock join. Okay, the way we're going to do it, I have a motif here that I'm working on. All right, and I want to shuttle lock join this extra ring to this motif. Right now my threads are tangled. They're going to give me a little bit of a problem. Okay, so we want to shuttle lock join this motif on this shuttle thread. Okay, we have the thread that's going to the shuttle. You see, that's the light lavender. The dark purple, okay, is going to shuttle 2. Okay, so here we go. We are going to join this light colored motif. We're going to lock join it to that. Usually when lock joins are used, okay, the thread on top is the shuttle thread, okay, and the next join is coming into place, and you don't have your ball thread or shuttle 2 thread handy, or it's not there. So you want to do a shuttle lock join. It will be identified as an LJ on written instructions, which means lock join, or an SLJ, shuttle lock join. Okay, so I'm going to show you the technique of how to do it. All right, what you do, okay, you've got your shuttle thread here. Okay, we've got our motif right here that I'm going to do that lock join to. The way you do it, you lay the thread across your picot, come up from the bottom, pull that shuttle thread down. Okay, hook it on your finger. Okay, come from bottom to top, okay, and pull. That is a shuttle lock join. Now say we want that to sit right next to this last ring. You grab that and you pull it up taut to that last ring, okay, just like I'm doing. Pull it up to where it right up against it, and then pull your shuttle thread to close. Okay, my nose was itching, it just hit me all of a sudden. Okay, you have to play with it, but before you let this lock join go down, you want to be sure everything is in place, because once you lock it down, it does as the name implies, it locks it. Okay, and there you have it, a shuttle lock join on that picot. Okay, let me show you that one more time. You come up from the bottom after laying your thread across that picot. Okay, trying to keep my nails out of the way, they need cutting off again. Okay, and you pull it down, hook it on your finger. Okay, now at this point you can go down if it's easier for you and do a lock join, but for directions sake, you're supposed to come up from the bottom so that your join looks like another double stitch. But you can, and I'm going to show you that you can come down from the top to the bottom. Okay, it's what you're comfortable with and how you do it. Now you just pull that down, see it closing that loop, and it locks it on that picot. You see, and we have done 2 shuttle lock joins. All right, so I hope that takes confusion out of shuttle lock joins and lock joins. They are done with shuttle 1. Okay, whatever shuttle you're using for your core thread, that is the shuttle that you use to make a lock join. All right, so I hope that helps you. The next video we will do a folded join. So until then, happy tatting. Have a great day, and thank you so much for watching.